Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Tour Pro 3 wireless Bluetooth noise cancelling earbuds and you need to do a full factory reset back to the out-of-the-box factory settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. Like if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear and only one earbud is working, this will fix that a lot because in addition to resetting it, it will re-sync the earbuds together. Also, if it's not connecting with Bluetooth or if it's stuck connected to the wrong thing, just any issues like this where it's not working right and you've tried restarting everything and it didn't work, then a factory reset will fix a lot of those issues. The second reason is just any situation where you want to basically wipe everything off of these so that you can set them up like they are a new device. This will do that for you. So one thing you want to do before you do this on the earbuds themselves is go into your phones or whatever you've had them paired with in the past and have those devices forget these earbuds because we're going to be setting them up like new. Once we do that, we can have the earbuds out of the case, in our ears or not in our ears, doesn't really matter as long as they're out of the case. And we're just going to go to the left or the right earbud, doesn't matter. And we are just going to do a tap, 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 hold. So 2 taps and then a press and hold. Tap, tap, press and hold for 5 seconds. So after then once we tap, tap, press and hold for 5 seconds, this will reset the earbuds. You can go ahead and put them in the back in the case, close the case, wait a few seconds, open the case back up, and it should be opening them up like you opened it for the first time. They'll go automatically into pairing mode. So let me know if this worked for you, and if it did, if you could please leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.